Hi, my name is Elizabeth Gould and I'm standing to be your representative in the Riverside by-election on December the 5th. In our area alone, a third of young people are unemployed. Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales, has an economic plan that will create a vibrant and sustainable modern economy. And as your councillor for Riverside, I will be a part of creating that. We all know that litter and fly tipping are a problem in our area. With the support of the Party of Wales, I've been able to make Cardiff Council listen. And the Party of Wales have also helped force the council to reconsider their decision not to build a new Welsh school for our children. Hey. The Party of Wales has a vision for Cardiff. We want to build a smart, welcoming, sustainable city where you can live healthy lives. We want proper public transport with buses, trains, trams and cycles getting you from A to B. We want Cardiff to be a capital of culture, where institutions like Chapter, Llanover Hall and Sherman Cymru are valued, not cut at the first opportunity. Riverside and Pontcanna need to see rapid improvement. The council needs to see rapid improvement. And I am the active candidate who is going to be pushing for that improvement. So if you love Cardiff and you love Wales, then vote for me, Elizabeth Gould, your Plaid Party of Wales candidate in the Riverside by-election on December the 5th. Thank you very much.